Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Aristoteles Bramantyo Utomo, and I'm here to record my individual first assignment regarding the use of ACL. So we're going to do the metaphor case that was given by Paul. So first of all, we need to create the project in ACL. So first things first, we're going to file, new project, and we're gonna rename this file into the ACL underscore tutorial underscore tutorial underscore metaphor right? Gonna save that. We're gonna replace the previous file because it seems there was an error in the recording. Yeah, so the data definition wizard will come out like this. And so first things first, we're gonna import the first file is the credit card metaphors. So I'm gonna pick the next button. We're gonna find the file that we need. And this here, we're going to need the credit card. So the C credit card, right there is this one. The XSS worksheet. Yep. Next. And we're gonna rename this file into underscore. It's gonna say metaphor. Yep. Gonna save that. Gonna replace it, of course, once again. Gonna finish it, click OK, and that's how we do it. So the next one, we're gonna import the trans-April sheet. So to do this, we need to import in the file, new table. A similar view will pop up. We do the same thing. So next, we'll pick the file. For this one, we're gonna need the trans-April worksheet. Let's go down, find the T or that's main. What is that? Trans April. So, okay, so sorry about that. So trans April. Okay. Gonna put next. You're gonna read it once again. Do trans. Let's go April. Yep. Save, of course, gonna replace it. Finish. Okay. So that's the second one. For the third one, we're gonna import the unacceptable codes, the TXT file. So it's gonna be a bit different. So file, new table, this next. So for this one, we're gonna need the unacceptable codes TXT file. Find first though, unacceptable codes. Yep, this one. Text document. So you can see here. For this one, next. So we're not going to keep on pressing next like what we did previously. So for this one, we're gonna need the limited text file. So we're gonna click that, and we're gonna need to use the tab as a field separator. We're gonna pick the use first row as field names, and that's about it. As you can see, that's the codes column, the description column. If you see it like this, it means you're doing a good job. And then we click next. Then we're gonna rename this as unacceptable codes. Yep, I'm gonna save that. Replace it. Yeah, so we're gonna need to change the codes column here into a different side, which is the ASCCI. So just gonna scroll up ASCCI text. So we're gonna do that and follow the description. We're also gonna make the same type of text because it's already correct. As you can see here, it's gonna go next, finish up, okay. So for the fourth one, it's gonna import the company department text. So file, new table. For this one, we're gonna need to find the company department. So next, we need to find the file. text the department. Okay. So this one next, the limited text file. So this the same as the previous one. Text file, gonna file format properties. So we're gonna use the first row as field names and tab as the field separator. And next, save to the file. We're gonna rename this into company depth. Depth. Click save, place it. I guess we've done this before. Um, gonna click on SCI tag, that's already correct. And for this one, we're gonna, sorry, for this one, we're gonna rename it as the department code. Department code, and then we're gonna change it into SCI text. Okay, that's it. And then, mm, oops, sorry about that. Misclick. Next, and finish it. Okay. So another one will be the employee success fee file. So do the same as before, table, next. We're going to find the employees CSV file is this one. Next, and then the text file. Yep, the text file, and gonna use the comma here actually. It's first show as field names, what right. Let's go for change anything but that. Um, and that we're gonna save it. Let's save as employees. Employees save. Gonna replace that. So for this one, the card numbers and the employee, we need to change the type. This would be an ACCI, CCII. Okay, gonna be the same for the emp number, employee number. But for the higher date, we're gonna change into the date type. The salary will be numeric formatted. It should also be the same as for numeric format. Yep. Yep. So actually, you can change the title for each column, but I can do that. But we won't change it. I think we change the name of the column itself in the header. So we're gonna click next. Let's check one more time. Number formatted. Header with date. ACI. Next. Finish. Okay. So finally, if we wish to be the last ones, the acceptable codes, it's database. So file new table, same as previously. Next, and we're going to try to find the DB file. It's this one. Next. Okay. This is the only so we can just do the same as the first one. We're gonna put the next. Rename it into accepted codes. Yep. Save, replace it once again, finish. Okay. So we're basically done with the whole tutorial, and now all we need to do is just save this project. File, save project. I can also use this button to save the project itself. Now move on to the exercise that we need to save it under a different name. So the way to do that, go file, save as. Wait, sorry. Wait a minute. So file, save as. Wait a minute. Number 4. So, save this. Export it as, let's see. Uh, yep, yep, okay. That's it for me. Thank you.